If you want to save your contacts to Google Drive, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is a great method if you want to keep a backup of your contacts, move them to another device later, or simply store them safely in the cloud where they're easy to access whenever you need them. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Contacts. You can do this by going to contacts.google.com in your browser and signing in with the Google account that contains the contacts you want to back up. Once you're inside Google Contacts, take a moment to make sure you're on the right account and that the contacts you want to save are visible. Now look to the top right of the page and click Export. This is the option that lets you download your contacts from Google Contacts as a file. After clicking Export, you'll be asked whether you want to export selected contacts or all contacts. If you only need certain people, choose Selected Contacts. If you want a full backup, choose All Contacts. Next, choose the file format. You'll usually see options like Google CSV, Outlook CSV, or vCard. If you're saving the file mainly for backup or for Google Tools, Google CSV is a great choice. If you want compatibility with other services or devices, Outlook CSV or vCard can also work well. Pick the format that best fits your needs, then click Export. At this point, Google Contacts will download a backup file to your computer. This file is the copy of your contacts that you're going to store in Google Drive. Once the download finishes, you're ready for the next part. Now, open in Google Drive in a new tab or window, sign in if needed, and make sure you're on the Drive account where you want to store your contacts backup. This is important because the whole point is to keep your file safely in the cloud and easy to find later. In Google Drive, click the plus new button in the upper left corner. Then choose File Upload. This tells Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer, not create a document or folder. After that, browse to the downloaded contacts file you exported from Google Contacts. Select the file and click Open. Google Drive will now upload the contacts backup file. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is finished, your contacts backup will be saved in Google Drive and accessible anytime you need it. You can also organize it by creating a folder first if you want to keep backups neat. For example, you could make a folder called Contacts Backup or Personal Backups, then upload the file there. That makes it much easier to find later if you ever need to restore or share it. And that's it. Your contacts are now saved to Google Drive. You've exported them from Google Contacts and uploaded the backup file to the cloud, which means your contact list is stored safely and ready whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.